Hello, how are you all? Welcome. Today we will look at our Pyxis luminaire, a modern, very versatile luminaire. Its longitudinal shape, a trend in the current market, is ideal for elongated spaces. Let's take a closer look at it. It will come with its cover, the connector cable, the 24-volt converter, which needs to be purchased separately, and the fixing clips for the recess, as it is a recessed luminaire. This luminaire will allow us to cut it at each LED and reconnect it at any point. The diffuser can be placed flat, or inclined to direct its light towards the interior of the furniture or to avoid glare from direct light. Since the luminaire can be cut as many times as we want, we will need to purchase an accessory for each luminaire. We will take a bar, remove the diffuser to be able to measure, and mark where to make the cut, avoiding it coinciding above an LED, which is every 8 millimeters. Once finished, we will put the diffuser back on and cut everything at once. Let's assemble. Let's remember the bar that we have already cut, the connector for, the 24-volt converter, the end cap, and the 2 clips. Remember, it is a 24V luminaire. It has polarity, therefore, we will pay attention to positive, with positive and negative, with negative. Therefore, positive with positive and negative with negative. Notice how those terminals protrude to connect to the longitudinal copper. The longitudinal copper lines. That's why it can be cut anywhere and connected at any time. We would simply connect it like this, and it would be ready. And now we are going to put on the end cap. It would be ready, and finally, the clips, okay? They would go on the back. We would simply press one after the other. And now, on the cabinet, the recessed structure we have made, remember, 10 by 10, we will simply place it inside, lower it, and then we will just need to connect it to the 24V converter. We would then have the lighting fixture installed and completed. To summarize, we took a profile, cut it to a distance of 8 millimeters. To avoid the LEDs, finally we attached the connector for the transformer, the end cap, and the clips. We mounted it on our previously made recess, remember 10 by 10. And finally, we connected it to a 24-volt converter. See you with more Novidards on the Pyxis. See you soon.